Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Rogers apartment building. Now this is the building straight ahead, and it is 20 floors. It has reached the height it's going to be, so this is now the tallest building in Jamaica. It's located in New Kingston, or just on the outskirts of New Kingston, and it's going to have 99 luxury apartments in it. We're going to show you the view from different angles. But this won't be the tallest building for very long, as 4 buildings that are going to be 28 floors each are under construction. Well, 2 out of the 4 are under construction in Montego Bay at the Pinnacle development. And our hotel on the north coast is under construction, and it's going to be over 20 floors. I'm not sure what the final count is going to be, but it won't be 28. It's going to be somewhere between 20 and 25 floors. But for now, as of today, this building is the tallest building in Jamaica. Now it seems to be moving very slow. It was to be finished already, but as you can see, this is how far they've reached, and it's probably going to finish sometime in 2026. Now it's going to have studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and penthouse suites on the top. Alright guys, so let us know what you think of this development and the pace at which it's moving. It's still moving, just moving slow. As somebody pointed out, this stage of the construction is much slower than when you're putting up the building. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.